take off. And you can use them, look. You can move them around. See there, look at that. And then if you want to, you can go this way. All right. Look at Tello. See? And he can still able to all right. Look at that. Woo! You can still push him around. I'm going this way with it. Got no escape now. Look at that. In the wind. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go to fast mode with it. Give me more. You see? And I can still able to shoot. And then I go this way. And there you go. And I can just have it there. I could just use the gun. So I can just move around. I mean, this is a heavy. Look at that. This is a heavy duty, guys. Yeah. You ain't going anywhere now. And he's still gonna pop you. And then if I want to, I can go back this way. This direction. Alright, it's too much. I didn't even add a fin. If I add a fin in the bottom, then I probably can. See? And just have it like this. I mean, if you program this, guys, it's even better. I just did not program it. But you can actually move Tello and this guy all together, and then you can have him here, and he can still get his target. Look at that. He can still able to shoot his target. See? Precision. And then if you want to, you can just go back this way. And then I have it right there. And then I have it right there. Look at that. Woo! And then you got a low battery. You got low battery. He still made it home. Woo!